Hello and welcome. My name is Sutipong Sutipitakwong and my student ID is 61070369. I will be presenting my cooperative education on technology and market analysis consultant. Moving on, we have the table of contents of this presentation. So we have the about of the company, so about time. We have the flow of work, in which I will explain the workflow and the different processes. Then we will have the work example, such as what kind of projects did I help perform and what kind of research I did. And then we will have the conclusions, where I explain the benefits and lesson learned. So, about time consulting. So, time consulting is a strategy and management consulting specialized in technology, digital, and innovation. So, it's a consulting firm company that specializes in technology. So, this is the time consulting organizational chart. We have the time CEO, and then it's broken down into four different phases, which is telecommunications, digital transformation, business development, and capacity development. And this goes over the red and the yellow, which I am part of. The red being digital transformation, market analysis, and training. This is part of the cooperative education, and during my internship period, I had some time to work on 5G acceleration. Moving on, we have responsibilities at Time Consulting. I had three main roles when I went in. I had training, I had market analysis, and then I had technology analysis. These are the three main phases. During the training phase, I attended workshops and I understood how to make consulting slides and how to be a consultant. During the market analysis phase, I did research on consumer trends and I started, market research. During the technology analysis, I researched the different technologies, and then I also researched the implementation methods of the research and the technologies. Next, we have flow of work. We have the objectives. So we have 6 of them. We have technological solutions, market knowledge, implement technologies, understand clients' needs, manage various projects, and generate report and presentations. So in technological solutions, we have researching technologies and understanding what best fits the client's need. We have the market knowledge, and we understand the consumer trends in the market. We have implement technologies, so the research from technologies. We understand how to implement them to the client system. We understand the client's needs. We gather requirements from them and we fulfill them. We manage various projects. During the time, we will have to manage 2 to 3 projects at once, so we need to be able to manage. We also need to generate reports and presentations to present to the client. So these are the 6 main objectives. Now, during my cooperative education, I had 2 theories that I used, which was the identity theory, which focuses on the aspirations and concerns and the needs of individuals. We pretend to be the individual and we understand the market, the consumer trends, and the activities of consumers. And my second theory is the parameters and purposes, which is a theory based on technology that best suits the situation, and we understand the limitations and the ability of each technology picked and used in the research. We also have tools that are used. We use Zoom. Zoom is used for communicating with clients and setting up meetings. Excuse me. We have Line. Line is a communication tool used for communicating with the team. We have Gmail. Gmail is used for communicating with the team as well. We have Google Drive. Google Drive is used for storing files and sharing files. We have Google Docs for working on reports, and then we have PowerPoint to make the slides. Excuse me. We have the 3 steps of training. We have training workshop, we have market analysis and consumer trends, and we have technology analysis, technology solutions, which are broken into 3 timeline. From my training, which started in June, and then market analysis, which lasted from June to September, and technology analysis from August to November. We also have company steps of work. We have the brief of the project, we have the roles of the project, we have the research and report, and we have submit and present. These are the 4 main steps to work. This is a workflow of the actual team and how we work. So first up, we gather the client's requirements. Next, we have the team brief project. So we have an understanding of the project with the whole team, and then we assign the roles. During the roles, we understand the speciality of each member, and we assign the roles according to that. And then we start to research and make the report. After that, we have the team meeting to finalize everything, and after everything is okay, we present to the client. This is an example of a client meeting. As you can see, I am in a meeting room where we will speak to clients. This is the research and report example. For example, we will have a call going on with the whole team member. After that, we will have a slide or a report that gathers all the requirements of the client. We have team presentation. As you can see here, I am in a meeting room with a team leader, and we are presenting the works of the team. Here we have work examples. The 2 main projects I will be talking about are NBTC, or National Broadcasting and Telecommunications, and cybersecurity. But first up, we'll go over the training as in the workshop. I'll go over this really quick. So this is an example slide I made during my training. So this is how to make a consulting slide. Next is the data analysis slide. So I was taught in the workshop how to make some data analysis slide, how to lay out data and pick which data is important. Okay, now we have the National Broadcasting and Telecommunications Project, which is market analysis. So we have the main process. First, brief the project, assign the roles, generate the report and research, and then we submit. These are 4 main process. So once again, broken down. First, we get the project. After that, we assign the roles, and then we attend the meeting with the team. And let's see if the roles are not specialized. We go back, assign the roles again, attend another meeting, understand the client's needs and the roles of each people, and we meet the requirements. We start the research, we generate the report, we attend the meeting, and if we need to update the report or the research, or if it's not enough, we go back, do more research, attend more meetings, and then if it meets the requirements, we have another meeting to finalize everything. After that, we submit to the client. Here we have a project demo. This is just some pictures I took during the process of working there. I'm not able to show fully the client's name, or during this part I will show half the work or like some photos of my screen, but it will not be the full photo because we cannot display client's information or the work we put out. We take a look here. First we have the client meeting, and then we have the brief and the roles. We have calls, and then we start to, and then this is research and report. We start doing research, and then we finalize all together with the whole team, and then we submit to the client. So this is the project demo. Next, excuse me, we have an example slide I made, which is from the Malaysia's overview and consumer base relating to radio access points. So I started doing research, and I finalized my information, and then I put it out as a slide like this. This is also another example of the slide. So this one's on preferred devices using for accessing radio services. So this one is also a slide I made, and these are the slides that are used in the client's reports. And then I'll go over a little bit from the flow. As you can see, if there are updates needed during the part before finalizing, we have meetings, and if it needs to be updated. This is the first version that I did on Malaysia's adaptations for radio broadcasting and digital disruption, right? This is the first version. Apparently, we talked to the team, and the team said it wasn't enough. They wanted more information. So I gathered more graphs, and then this is a second version, which is a final version that is used in the client's report. As you can see, there are minor changes here and there, but we added more information that most fits the client's needs. Next, we have the technology analysis, cybersecurity project. Again, 4 main steps: brief at the project, assign the role, research and generate, and submit. Here we have the flow. This is a little different from the previous project. So first we get the project, assign the roles, attend the meeting, specialize the role. If it's not, assign the roles again, attend the meeting, meet the requirement. We start to research and generate a report, attend the meeting, and then this is where it's different. Need change and need update. Last one was need update, means we update more information. Need change is when you pick a technology and it does not satisfy the client's need, or a team thinks there's a technology better for them. So change the technology, restart the research, and then let's say we attend the meeting again, it meets the requirements, finalize everything, and submit. This is a source used for during the time of performing the technological project. I use the GCI ITU, which is the Global Cybersecurity Index from International Telecommunications Union. So we have the cybersecurity demo here. First, let's go over the client meeting right here, and then the brief and the roles. And then after that, we have the research and report. This is snippets, and then we finalize in the whole team through Zoom, and then we submit to the client. So this is a research slide example. We have the cybersecurity key factor benchmark. This is where I use the GCI ITU to benchmark everything if Thailand has it compared to other countries. And then this is also using the GCI ITU to understand the strengths and weaknesses and key success factors of the two countries. And then we have this, the technological research. We have the draft report. So as you can see, it's just throwing information onto a piece of paper. And then after that, we have the final report example, where we format everything and we understand what works and what doesn't work. Okay, lastly, the conclusions, broken down into 4 parts: benefits, expectations, experience, and lesson learned. First up, we have expectations. When I first started, I wanted to know how to be a good consultant. On my working side, I understand how to deal with clients. On my soft skills slides, I wanted to be able to work under pressure. My experience there, I understood how to make good consulting slides. This is in the consulting side. On my working side, I understood how to be able to fulfill clients' needs. My soft skills sides, I was able to communicate with this team successfully. The benefits of working here, I was able to fully understand how to be a consultant. The working side, I was able to work under pressure. Soft skills sides, I was able to manage time and work in a team, and also self-oriented working. The lesson learned, most similar to the benefits. During the consulting side, I gained knowledge on how to make consulting reports and slides. My working side, I gain knowledge on how to speak to clients. On my soft skill sides, I gain management skills and I also gain self-oriented skills. And here are two of the main benefits that I actually found very useful to me. Just to wrap up the four topics that I just came up with. So first one is the consulting side, the consultant. So first one is the consulting side, the consultant, and being able to understand the means of being a technological consultant. And the second one is management, being able to adapt and overcome and manage projects under pressure, being able to deploy and deliver projects on time. Thank you very much for listening.